Go, Mary!
You got fun with the jail! What the hell is going on?
Go, 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 go! Go, ladies, get QB, she's lagging! Watch that big! Get QB! Incomplete ball! Angie! Quick on QB! Shay, almost higher! A little bit faster! Don't do those holes!
Water.
Push it! Come on! Oh!
Offense! No, she's pretty young to play.
It doesn't matter how young you are.
No, it's just, she's too young. She's gonna get in. Let's play it. Get open, Double D.
Good job!
Oh! Let's go, defense!
Set two!
But once we get more practice to it, we get it going.
Pass!
Grab that flag! Go! That's how you do it!
Molly's! Let's go, guys! Just right here. First down right here. First down. Run! Good, you got it.
Grab that flag! Go!
Open your eyes and recognize a player when you see one. Instead of always hate no one, try to be one. Cool jet clothes, J's on my toes, Fruit Loop necklace with iced out rose. My wrist on froze. Everybody knows when I step through the doors. Handcuff you, I'm so fresh you can smell your boy through a stuffy nose.